Hello viewers, welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. Former legislator for Chibi South constituency, Killer Zivhu, said something very important, and we need to take a look on what he said. He says, when you are destined to lead, don't worry about your enemies. You are not at war with anyone, but they are at war with God, and the results will be catastrophic. Don't prepare yourself for wars which are not yours. Kana zvakuomera iwo hazvina kuomera Mwari. We need to take a look onto this statement wholly. And I believe it is directed to Nelson Chamisa. Right now, Nelson Chamisa is facing attacks from within and outside. Everybody is blaming Nelson Chamisa for not holding demonstrations. Is blaming Nelson Chamisa for failure to stop false announcement of the results. He's blaming Nelson Chamisa for not having proper structures. But is it his fault? No. We have seen recalls being done. Everybody is blaming Nelson Chamisa on everything. But let us explore deeper on what Killer Zivhu said. God does not sleep. God does not lie. God does not need human help for him to execute his duties. When he uses you as a human being, he's not using you because he does not have any other person to use. He has chosen you. So he equips you with whatever you need to make sure that you accomplish the assignment. Jonah was sent to go and preach to Nineveh. He went to Tarshish. It is God who caused Jonah to return to Nineveh. Some people who were around suffered the consequences of Jonah going in the wrong direction. But at the end of the day, it's God who sent a fish which carried Jonah to Nineveh. God does not lie. If he says you're going to be a leader, ask the question when. That is only when you can start to understand God's time frames. So I believe God works with time frames, with seasons in it. 2023 elections was a matter of separation. People were being separated. People were being weighed on the scale. Who fits for a particular purpose? So you will see that whatever which happened, there are so many people who were saying, I am popular, I'm powerful, I can do A, B, C, D, including others who participated, the likes of Anamaduku, Anamteki, everybody who participated in that election. They believed that they were popular than Nelson Chamisa. But the election came and actually revealed who was popular, who was loved. I'm going to take you back to David. David was anointed king when Saul was still king. They lived for a very long time. Saul trying to even kill David. Up until David was living in the mountains together with his own army. But with that army, he never attacked Saul. He never killed Saul. He got so many opportunities to kill Saul, but he didn't use those opportunities to do so. He was waiting for God's time. Up until Saul went to a different war, not with David, but with someone else. And together with his sons, they were killed during that war. It was God's doing. So I believe that God does have his own ways to execute his duties, to execute his promises, to execute whatever he wants to execute. So I agree with Killer Zivhu here. If you go to the issue of Absalom, Absalom was installed as king. But did he last? No, he didn't last. He was installed in the position, or Solomon. So whatever the people of Zimbabwe are going through right now, they must understand that God does not work like human beings. God does not have a calendar like the one we use in 1,000 years. So powerful words of wisdom. So can we manifest? Okay, this is an advert here. So can a very powerful prayer. God bless you. So can spot on killer. So can pawagona mhanzi nebhaibheri hondo hadzisi dzedu ndedzejehovha ndivo vanotirwira hondo dzedu. Umwe oti mavhesi zvakati zvikati. Zvikanzi bishop. Okay, zvikanzi Mwari vakapedza basa ravo. Nyika yeZimbabwe is in safe hands and well protected. Hakuna chimwe chatosarira kuna Mwari kunze kwesimba rekudzivirira. Okay, this is vamwe vari kubhotomoka who do not know that God is angry. And if they knew what God is working on or is planning, they would say otherwise. But mondiitira. Okay, zvikanzi akakedukila kari sober. Okay, so this is what is happening in Zimbabwe. I don't know what you think about these words, but I believe that what Killer Zivhu is saying is true. So for those who are waiting for a new great Zimbabwe, just know God's doing is not man's doing. He will work a miracle on his own time.